Welcome back. The question is a bullet of mass 10 gram and speed of 500 meter per second is fired into a door and gets embedded exactly at the center of the door. The door is 1 meter wide and weighs 12 kg. It is hinged at one end and rotates about a vertical axis practically without friction. Find the angular speed of the door just after the bullet embeds into it. So there is a hint given. The moment of inertia of the door about the vertical axis at one end is ml squared divided by 3. The important angular momentum is given by alpha equals mvr. Putting all the given values in the above equation, we get 2.5 kg meter square per second. Now the moment of inertia of the door is I equals 1 by 3 ml square. So if we put the value of m and l here, we get the I to be 4 kg meter square. Also, alpha equals I omega. That means omega becomes alpha by I. We know the value of I, we know the value of alpha. So putting this, we get the value of omega, which is 0.625 radian per second.